Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can recreate Enid's Dead Dance outfit on Dress to Impress. So let's get started with the hair. For the hair, I use this in FFBDBD. Just make sure to save that. In default, no adjustments made. And then I use this hair in Only Bangs. No adjustments made. Use this hair in Only Bangs. Positioned the Y to 0.56, Z 0.48. In scale to 0.37, then this hair in Only Bangs, position the Y to 0.59, Z to 0.71 in the same color. I don't think I use VIP for this. Then I'm going to use this, the witch's top, and we're going to use this pattern, and that pattern again, and then we're going to color the rest in this cream color. Go to the Lady Gaga section, grab this skirt in that pattern. Oh, except for this part, we're just going to color it cream, and then we're going to toggle it to only skirt. Then we're also going to grab this, in the currency item, this, but, oh, wrong one. This skirt, but just on only like the top. Color it the same pattern, and then for the flowers you're going to use this color A7C9FF, and then that blue again. You can also make it a little bit lighter so it's different color, and then the rest in that cream color again. Then for the sleeves, go to the Valentine's Day section. And this, if you don't have VIP, you can replace it with something else. I didn't lie, I just forgot that I used VIP item and use the matte color for that. Then we're going to also go to the spring section, get the butterfly on head, and then on the fourth one you're going to color the same blue, and we're going to toggle off everything except for the head. Then for the shoes, okay, I'm like going back and forth because I forgot what I used. And then for the shoes, we're going to use the ballet flats here. This one. And we're going to color it pink. And that is it. That is Enid's outfit on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys, and if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.